Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for enhancing your website design using Elementor. Today, we have an exciting new widget to share with you, Photo Hanger Widget. In this video, we'll show you how to add and customize this widget in Elementor. But before we begin, make sure you have Elementor Addons installed. Once you're all set, go ahead and open the Elementor editor for the page where you want to add the Photo Hanger widget. Now that the widget is added, first, let's upload image and title to the widget. Let's move on to the Style tab. Here, you have a variety of customization options. You can adjust the image layout to your preference, customize the photo frame border style, choose from various image rotate speeds ranging from slow to fast, and even add image hover cursor options. With the Photo Hanger widget, you have full control over how your images are presented. Play around with different styles and effects to create a visually appealing and engaging experience for your website visitors. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized the Photo Hanger widget in Elementor. It's that simple. We hope you found this video helpful. and that you're excited to incorporate this widget into your own website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing Elementor free widgets.